Hey everyone, I'm India Delgado with Delgado Productions, and today I am bringing to you a video on my work from home small studio setup. I use a green screen, so I wanted to walk you guys through what my small space looks like, how we share it, how I set up my green screen, and the lighting. All right, so this is what my studio setup looks like. Green screen, no lights on, um, and just as is. Let's change the green screen. Let's see what that looks like. I'll do one more background, unblur that. And you can make it customizable. You can make it you. It's all about you and having fun and what it means to you.